Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're considering starting an LLC in Nevada but aren't sure where to begin, you're in the right spot. Today I'll walk you through the entire process of forming an LLC in the Silver State. From choosing your LLC name to filing the necessary paperwork, I've got you covered. Plus, stick around until the end for a special bonus on the best registered agent service in Nevada that helps you get started for free. Let's dive in. Starting an LLC in Nevada is relatively straightforward and affordable. There are 3 main ways you can go about it. 1. DIY, do it yourself. This method involves using the Nevada Secretary of State's online portal to handle all the paperwork yourself. It's the most cost-effective option if you're comfortable navigating the forms and processes. 2. Professional LLC formation service. If you prefer a streamlined process with added benefits, hiring a professional service might be the way to go. These companies handle the paperwork for you and often include additional services. 3. Hiring an attorney. This is the most expensive option and typically isn't necessary for most LLCs. Attorneys can provide legal advice and handle complex issues, but are usually not needed for a straightforward LLC setup. For today's video, we'll focus on the DIY approach and using a formation service. Steps required for starting your LLC in Nevada on your own. Step 1. Choose your LLC business name. The first step in forming your LLC is choosing a unique name. Nevada requires that your LLC's name be distinguishable from other registered entities in the state. Your name must include Limited Liability Company or abbreviations like LLC and cannot include terms like corporation. You can't use words that might confuse your business with a government entity. No terms like NSA, Treasury, IRS, or FBI. Your name must be completely distinct from other entity names already reserved or in existence. To check if your desired name is available, visit the Nevada Secretary of State's Name Availability Search. Here's how you can do it. Enter your proposed name into the search bar to check availability. A unique business name will say no matches found. Step 2. Appoint a Nevada registered agent. Your business has a name, and now it needs a physical presence in Nevada. At least there must be a physical address where correspondents can reach you. All businesses are required to designate a registered agent, which is a physical address, not a P.O. box, and contact, person or entity, where legal documents can be delivered during business hours. The registered agent is responsible for receiving legal documents and official correspondence on behalf of your Nevada LLC. You can act as your own registered agent or appoint a family member or friend. However, I recommend using a professional registered agent service. This ensures you receive important documents promptly and keeps your personal address off public records. Plus, some companies offer a free registered agent service as part of their LLC formation package. One company I recommend is Northwest Registered Agent, which provides a free registered agent for the first year of service. During this free year, you can benefit from a professional agent handling your legal documents, access to a dashboard for managing correspondence, and email notifications with automatic forwarding of any documents received. Step 3. File your articles of organization. Now that you have a name and a registered agent, it's time to file your articles of organization with the Nevada Secretary of State. This document officially creates your LLC and includes details such as filing the articles of organization is perhaps the most important step when figuring out how to start an LLC in Nevada. This document will give the state all the information needed to certify your business and create a record of your LLC in the state. The form requires the name being registered, registered agent's name, address, and signature of consent, certificate of acceptance of appointment of registered agent, management designation, manager managed or member managed, name and address of each manager or managing member, There is a box to complete for LLCs with a designated dissolution date if the LLC is only temporary. Signature of the filing manager or member. You can file online through the Secretary of State's Silver Flume portal or by mail. The filing fee is $75. The online process is usually faster, with processing times around 1 to 2 business days, whereas mail filings can take up to 10 business days. Note, you need to be aware that in Nevada, you must file an initial list of managers or members and a state business license within 30 days of forming your LLC. This can make the cost of forming an LLC in Nevada a bit expensive. The total cost to start a Nevada LLC is about $425, which includes the $75 Articles of Organization mentioned, $150 initial list, and $200 business license. If you file online or pay with a card, you'll pay $436 after the 2.5% processing fee. Step 4. Prepare an operating agreement. A Nevada LLC operating agreement is an internal document that puts your company's rules and processes into writing. Your operating agreement is where you establish guidelines and standards for things like voting rights, dispute resolution, initial investments, management structure, member-managed or manager-managed, division of profits and losses. While Nevada doesn't require LLCs to adopt operating agreements, having one is more than just good practice. Not only does an operating agreement help your business run smoothly, it can help your LLC maintain its limited liability status in the face of a lawsuit. A well-drafted operating agreement helps prevent misunderstandings and ensures everyone knows their roles and responsibilities. Step 5. Obtain an EIN. You can't run a business without paying taxes. Your Nevada LLC will need to remit taxes to the state and federal government using unique identification numbers, like Social Security numbers for a business. You'll need an Employer Identification Number, EIN, for tax purposes. This number functions as a Social Security number for your business and helps keep your business's financial matters separate from your personal accounts. You can apply for an EIN through the IRS website for free. There is no cost to obtain an EIN. If you prefer a more hands-off approach, consider using a professional LLC formation service. Companies like Northwest Registered Agent offer comprehensive packages that include filing your forms, acting as your registered agent, and more. Their service starts at $39 and includes a free registered agent for the first year and a free operating agreement. This package offers great value compared to other services that might charge significantly more. Another cool thing is that Northwest allows you to use their address as your business mailing address so you wouldn't have yours displayed in public. This is great for privacy protection. With excellent customer service and privacy protection, Northwest Registered Agent makes the LLC formation process smooth and stress-free. Use the first link in the description to get this special discount. Forming an LLC in Nevada is manageable when you follow the right steps. Whether you handle it yourself or use a professional service, these guidelines will help ensure a smooth setup. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more business tips and guides. Don't forget to check the description for useful links and resources. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your LLC formation.